pivot it that way. Go! Oh! Can I put it? Can I put it? Go! It's fucking flying. No, I can do it! Go! Go in! Go!
She's bonky, innit?
Oh, stupid again, isn't it?
We're going!
Go in again! Again!
Again!
Oh no, it's right next to that wall. Oh! Oh, that was hard, that one. I ain't gonna fit around there.
Right.
I ain't gonna get around there.
You ready?
I think so.
You can't fucking get
No, I
behind
can't.
it. Right. You just
Push where?
just push forward.
So what do you mean?
Oh, fuck.
Um,
Should we push it that way? Flip
right.
it that way and then back that way.
If we do it, then we can roll it.
Yeah.
We'll go back over.
Yeah. Right.
Need to go right there, isn't it?
Right.
It's rollable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Roll it up. Why am I pulling? Wait. You have to pivot that.
I reckon if we flip it, no, it'll roll in there, won't it?
And we need to stand it up. What do you mean?
Maybe we shouldn't have rolled it. Should we roll it back this way one?
And then
Stand it up here
And
and
then-
then flip it over.
what's the roll it down?
Roll it down a little bit. Yeah, we need to get it to near hijack.
Maybe do that.
Yeah. Right. And then flip it over.
Like. Yes. Oh, look at that. That's better, isn't it?
Right. And then push
Roll
it
it
back.
over the. Twice.
Yeah.
Fuck me! Oh my god! Why is that so heavy? I don't be near it! Don't let it go down! Don't let it go down! Don't let it go down! Let go of me!
Oh, I've got it.
Ow! My knees on
I've
it.
got my bum on it though.
My knees on it! My knees on it!
Ah, my zip's stuck. My zip's stuck. No. Alright, he's going that way a little bit.